Hey, I have got a funny cartoon for you today. We're going to do a weasel, a cartoon weasel. And we're going to do it in pencil first. Of course, I'm going to do it over a little darker and marker. Hey, that rhymes. But let's give it a shot. It's easy to do. I think you might enjoy following with me. So give him a kind of an oval face, like that, kind of flattened on the side. And just kind of widens out at the bottom, like many of us. And here's a center line. This is going straight down. Do that to keep the legs even on both sides of the weasel, like that. You can have them with bent knees. It's a funny stance. I'm going to do it again over with this. So like I say, it's going to get clearer to see. But let's just get our bearings first, rather than just try to get it on the first try, and it never is a good idea, because then you're not giving yourself the freedom to create. Why must you get it in the first try? No one gets points for that. No one ever sees a piece of work in a gallery and said, good painting and got it on the first try. Alright, so there's that fun little mouth that comes down almost to a point where the muzzle is. And we're going to give him circular eyes, because they're slightly beady, because he's a weasel. I always thought it'd be funny. They have all these different names for softball teams in our town, you know, and they should have funny names too. The weasels, the skunks, the sardines. But they have not yet taken my suggestion, and I am not holding my breath. Okay, thick, short little eyebrows. And now let's put the arms down here. Fun little arms just hanging there at the sides. And a weasel-like tail. I'm going to make this a little shorter, because he's standing a little tall for a weaselly guy. That's better. Now he's really weaselly. Okay, and a little bit of shading here. Alright, let's give it a try now. I'll do it over again. Try to get close to circles on these. So what do you like to draw? Do you like to draw with pencil or pen? I'm curious. I think most people enjoy pencil. That's my favorite. Our flat little nose, a crease line, and bring it in so it comes to a point almost, and a small mouth, which keeps him kind of cute looking for a weasel. A little bit of shading right here. And the ear, give a little interior dots in the ear. A little tuft of hair on the top breaks it up so it's not so smooth looking. Little ruffles on the side. Weaselly ruffles. A little chin here. Now make sure you're symmetrically here. So this line follows this line. That's good. And a little bit of a tummy down here. Bent knees are fun. And a little marking right here and here. A little grass. So here is your weasel character. I hope you enjoyed it. I have new videos every week, so I hope you will subscribe. Thanks for visiting. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.